is Clement, and then this is my Python 2 project thingamajig. My project was inspired by War Thunder because I like War Thunder and it's cool. My project uses the Python turtle package and the Python random damage. The Python turtle package is just a big drawing that draws GUIs, and you use it to draw. Okay, I typed that use wrong. Python random damage, it generates random numbers because it's random damage. Between the numbers you set it, like between 1 to 10 or something, I don't know. These are my code examples. This is like the mischance. The mischance is like in like how much you miss. And then that is like the starting HP, the mischance, the minimum and maximum damage, the HP bar, and then the projectile, also known as the shell.
Nice.
And then that my thingy, thingy all game load. Oh my.
Go to your module 4, where the actual project is. Open it up. There you are.
Stinky. Damn, I should have brought a freaking mouse. So freaking dumb. Hey, we're a family-friendly channel here, guys. Yeah, you do that, but yeah, you do that, and you do that, and you do that, and then 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 what the freak? And you do that, and then you gonna miss. See, they missed. Yeah. Oh, guys, I think blue is cooked here. Oh, I think blue is cooked here. Oh, and blue, get blue.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you can just see that. Yay. Back. Oops. My favorite part was playing and testing the code. If I were to continue working this project, I would have background, a better tank, and I will make it less booty. Oops. Thank you.